In a quiet street on the edge of the city, there lived a bright yellow bicycle. It did not belong to anyone. Or perhaps it belonged to everyone. No one knew exactly how it began. Some said a young woman left it there when she moved away. Others believed an old man painted it yellow and whispered to his neighbor, "Use it when you need it. Pass it on." But the truth was lost, like many beautiful things in the city. The bicycle stood under a large oak tree at the end of the street. Its paint was chipped. The bell made a soft, rusty sound. But it worked. And slowly, the people on the street began to use it. There was Maria, a nurse who worked the night shift. On days when she missed the last bus, she would walk to the oak tree, smile at the yellow bicycle, and ride it home under the stars. She always left it in front of her building for the next person. And in the morning, it would be gone again. Then there was Sam, a boy of 10 who loved adventure but had no bicycle of his own. On Saturday mornings, he would run to the tree, hoping the yellow bicycle would be there. When it was, his heart would dance. He would ride to the park, to the library, to the end of the world and back before lunch. He always returned it before dark. An old woman named Elena used it too. She could not ride far. But she would pedal slowly to the market at the corner, her bag of vegetables hanging from the handlebars. She said the bicycle made her feel young. It made her feel seen. People began to care for it. Someone fixed the chain when it broke. Another person painted a small flower near the seat. A child left a note in the basket once. It said, "Thank you, yellow friend." The bicycle became a silent thread that wove the neighbors together. They did not speak much. But they all knew. They all shared something small and good. One summer evening, a man named David sat on his porch and watched the bicycle lean against the tree. He had just moved to the street. He felt alone in the big city. He saw a girl ride up on the yellow bicycle, park it carefully, and run inside her house. A few minutes later, a young man in a work uniform walked to the tree, smiled, and rode away on it. David did not understand at first. He asked his neighbor about it the next day. The neighbor laughed gently. "That's our bicycle," she said. "It belongs to all of us. You can use it too. Just bring it back." The idea was so simple, so kind. It touched something deep in David. The next morning, he walked to the tree. The bicycle was there, waiting. He touched the handlebars. They felt warm. He rode to the bakery and bought fresh bread. On his way back, he saw a woman waiting at the bus stop. She looked tired. He stopped. "Do you need to go somewhere?" he asked. "You can take the bicycle." She hesitated. Then she smiled. "Really? Really? Just leave it under the tree when you're done." She rode away, waving. David walked home with the bread in his hands and a strange happiness in his heart. Years passed. The yellow bicycle grew older. More paint chipped away. But no one ever thought of throwing it away. It became a symbol. A quiet reminder that people could be good to each other, without rules, without money, without expectations. One winter, the bicycle disappeared for 3 days. The whole street felt empty. Children checked under the tree every morning. Adults glanced out their windows. On the 4th day, a teenager brought it back. He had found it at the train station, left by someone who probably took it too far. He rode it home and placed it gently under the oak tree. That evening, someone tied a new ribbon to the handlebars. Blue and yellow. A thank you. The story of the shared bicycle spread. People from other streets came to see it. Some left small gifts. A bell. A basket. A note. The bicycle became more than a bicycle. It became a story people told their children. A story about trust and community and the small ways we take care of each other. And on warm summer evenings, when the light fell softly on the quiet street, you could still see it there. The yellow bicycle, waiting for whoever needed it next.